We're here today for the Cobalt Field Day at Summerlin Farm in Immokalee, King Ranch's newest farm. We've got tons of guests here today, which is awesome.
Sod Solutions has organized this field day to talk about two of the new varieties that have come out in the market recently, Cobalt St. Augustine grass from Texas A&M and CitraZoy Zoysia grass from University of Florida.
The purpose of these type of field days is to have a direct interaction, in this case with growers and landscape managers.
We're translating the science to the end users and making it make sense for what they do, showing them the value of a new product that can do new things and help them grow their own businesses.
King Ranch is a pretty large company. It's been around since 1853. The ranch in Texas is the size of Rhode Island. It's a couple different parcels. In Florida, it's citrus, turfgrass, and farming.
At King Ranch here in Immokalee, we have 92 acres of cobalt. When we first planted that as ribbons, we got all the planting stock from our Belglade farm, and that one stood out the most. It retained the most beautiful color throughout the entire growing process, and people have loved it.
It literally gives me goosebumps. 15 years ago, when we made this cross in 2010, it started with a little seedling in a petri dish, and now seeing it on almost 90 acres that were planted here at the Summerlin farm, it just blows my mind.
This grass was available for water conservation, which is a big deal across the US. So it's really exciting that people are thinking about implementing this, and then we go to the field and we actually see the grass and how they manage it and the specific characteristics that it has.
CitraZoy has a couple of really good features that have really increased its popularity. It has better winter color retention, which is important in the state of Florida, so it doesn't lose as much color through the winter months. It has really good sod strength, which makes it easy for the sod producers to harvest, and then it's really easy for the installers to move around. And then one of the key features that's really helping it take off and become a really favored product is its tolerance to large patch disease, which is the worst fungal disease affecting zoysia grass.
I would think municipalities would be an end user for this. Homeowners, landscapers, even builders.
The homeowner's not going to have the same mindset as me. They're going to want every single blade perfect. They're going to be wanting free of weeds. I've just learned that you have to be a perfectionist in this industry.
I love working with the growers because they're so decisive. They see something, they like it, they like the way it works, they want to move forward with it really quickly. So the relationship with the growers couldn't be any more important.
I can't wait for people to get out to the field to see it.